give me love, give me love, give me love, give me some love, give me love, give me love, give me love. It's all I want. The snow resting on my fingertips doesn't seem to be melting at all. Somewhere in my heart that's made of tin, there's someone or no one that's laughing. The scenery reflected in me, it's all topsy-turvy. In my hands, I hold your face up close to me. Even if you're here and I'm over there, I just can't feel. If it is true, that I don't know what I should do. Thinking angrily, watching you smile. Give me love, give me love, give me love, give me some love. Give me love, give me love, give me love. It's all I want. Guess I'm only good for causing pain, although that is not my chosen game. If anyone takes a shot at you, I will wrap them all up in tattoo. Seems like it is my destiny's wish for me to be like this. My hands strike, feels loads off the ground. I'll make sure that they will never again make fun of me. Even with that, tell me God, what should I do now? Now I figured out I'll always be alone, fighting hard, just to see your silent smile, believing in myself to fight hard. Only for some love. Da 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 I feel affection and dizziness. I feel something more for the first time, all the way through my fingers and my hands and everywhere. You dance to me, I used to be bigger than everybody else. I will never hurt anyone again. In my hands, I hold your face up close to me.